If you've ever been in a situation where you lost years of photos on a phone or files on a computer, you know how devastating it is to not have everything backed up. Maybe you've also gone from an old phone to getting a new one and have had to figure out that process. I'm Stephanie, I'm a tech expert. Today we're going to go over how to not only back up but also transfer data from one device to another between virtually any device. We're talking old phone to new phone, Apple to Apple, Android to Apple, Android to Android, from an old computer to a new computer, whether it's PC to PC, Mac to Mac, or Mac to PC, and even transfer from phones to computers. I'll also show you a device called Ultimate Backup that makes this process really easy. The reason I mention Ultimate Backup early on is because when you get a new phone and you're ready to do that transfer, if you've already lost photos, videos, contacts, notes, even apps from your phone, then you can't transfer them to the new phone. So backing things up is step number one. Whether it's a tablet, computer, phone, you want to be able to have a backup copy. There's a few different types of Ultimate Backup devices. They have storage sizes from 32 gigabytes to 1 terabyte, and they make the process super simple so anyone can do it. And these devices are universal, so they go from any phone to any computer. That's how you can have all of that data saved. Now let's talk about moving data from one device to another, starting with an old phone to a new phone, Android to Android. Google, who owns Android, has made this process very simple. You could either connect the two phones with a cable, do a wireless transfer, or restore from a Google backup. This will typically transfer your contacts, photos, videos, apps, messages, and settings. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours depending on how much is on your old phone. Now let's talk iPhone to iPhone. Apple users have a feature called Quick Start, and you can actually place the old and the new phone next to each other. Let's talk about transferring from one type of phone to another, iPhone to Android. Of course, you could use a physical connection like a USB-C cable to move everything over, but there's also device-specific tools. If you have a Samsung device, go to your App Store and find Samsung Smart Switch. If your new phone is a Google Pixel or another type of Android phone, go to the Switch to Android portal and you'll be able to take everything from your old iPhone to your new Android phone using the detailed instructions in that portal. Of course, iPhone's operating system is called iOS, and I personally have found the move from an Android operating system on an old phone to a new iPhone to be very easy because of the app called Move to iOS. This helps Android users bring over all of those contacts, passwords, settings, and of course, our precious photos and videos to our new phone. Now let's talk computers. Laptops, desktops, these hold so much more than our phones, not just photos and videos, but also lots of files, folders, documents. Option one is to transfer through a cloud service. Now, this can take a really long time because essentially you need to make sure that everything that's on the old computer is uploaded to a cloud service and then you download from the new computer. It's not the most efficient way, but you can use things like iCloud, Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. I personally love Google Drive. I love that there's so much digital storage space that I get for free. iCloud, there's usually fees associated with that. If you have it on a Mac computer, something you should know about iCloud is it is sometimes a synchronizing system. So when you look at a folder and files on your laptop, if you have a MacBook, and you delete that file, if that folder is an iCloud folder, the file in there is gone permanently. It's not saved anywhere when you're deleting it off iCloud. So when it comes to going from an old computer to a new computer, external storage is a great way to go. Of course, with old hard drives, you maybe can try the manual process. It'll take a few hours. I'm often worrying about forgetting files or duplicating files and keeping everything organized. When I use Ultimate Backup to transfer from one computer to another, it's a very quick process. I'm gonna steal the cord from this drive back here. Okay, so this Ultimate Backup drive, it's a solid state drive, which means it's lightweight, doesn't have moving parts, it's quiet and really efficient. We have an adapter that's USB or USB-C, so you could go phone to computer or vice versa. But when you plug this into a computer, the software will pop up, you open it, you say what you want to back up, and it automatically transfers everything. You press one button, does the work for you. You could even move multiple computers, maybe have an old computer and you want to put your files on a new computer, you could do that too. You also could just keep everything on here for safekeeping if you want to start fresh with a new computer. Ultimate backup storage sizes go from a terabyte all the way down to like 36 gigabytes if you have a really small collection of photos that you want to back up. So phone to computer can be difficult. A lot of people use cloud services for that. Sometimes I'll airdrop things from an iPhone to a MacBook, but when it comes to PCs, I'm usually using OneDrive or Google Drive. That can include photos, videos, presentations, documents like PDFs, and even music files. It's also a good idea to take some important files that are on our computer and send them to our phone. Again, I like to use Ultimate Backup or a cloud service for that. For example, travel documents. If you're going on vacation this summer and you want copies of passports on your phone, that's always a good idea. Maybe it's a work presentation or just family photos. Remember, before you get a new phone, it's a really good idea to have some sort of physical, tangible backup copy, just in case anything goes wrong in the process. I know I've been a little worried in the past that once I transfer everything and delete off my old device, if I missed anything, it's gone. So for peace of mind, I like to keep all of my files on my phone and my computer on a physical backup device like Ultimate Backup. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, there is a link in the bio. I hope this video has inspired you to back up everything on your phone and or computer today. We can never be too careful, and it's a good idea to have at least 2 copies of all of those precious memories that we want to carry forward into the future. I know I love to use old photos that have been on past phones and computers in gifts. I love to make photo books for friends and family, even video slideshows of old photos and videos. So they're worth preserving, and I hope you feel inspired to do a little bit of digital organizing and decluttering of your digital life today by backing up all of the old photos and videos on your phone or computer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.